This video is not sponsored by any company. All the products discussed in the video are ranked according to their price and specifications. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Cell Mafia. As it is clear from the title of the video, today we are going to discuss the top 5 best drones for photography and videography. But before that, if you have not subscribed to us yet, then don't forget to punch the subscribe button down below, press the bell icon so you receive the notification each time we upload a video. So without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video. The drone we have on the 5th place of our list is DJI Spark. DJI has become pretty good at making diminutive drones, and the Spark takes that to the next level, packing a host of intelligent tricks into the company's smallest ever drone. While it won't fit in your pocket, the DJI Spark is small enough to comfortably land on your hand or take off from it. It's not collapsible like the Mavic Pro, but it's so light that you can easily forget it in your backpack. In terms of imagery, you get a 1 by 2.3 inches sensor, which is good for 12 megapixel still images and 1080p footage at 30 fps. The major cons of Spark are its price and its battery life. It has a flight time of only 15 minutes. But still, if you want an easy-to-fly lightweight and compact drone which can shoot good images and videos, then DJI Spark can be a good option for you. Product link given in description. The drone we have on the 4th place of our list is Parrot Anafi. Parrot's Anafi drone is an affordable but fairly comprehensive flying machine with a portable focus. At 320 grams, it's more than 100 grams lighter than the Mavic Air and, collapsed and folded into its carry case, it's compact enough to slip into almost any bag. It has a flying time of 25 minutes per charge, which is impressive. Photographers will find the Anafi a welcome step forward for Parrot. It utilizes a Sony sensor to capture video at 4K resolution with HDR and photos at up to 21 megapixels. What's more, the nose-mounted camera is attached to a 3-axis gimbal that offers both excellent stabilization and 180 degrees of vertical movement, meaning you can film above the drone, something you can't do with the Mavic Air. Product link given in description. The drone we have on 3rd place of our list is DJI Mavic Air. A folded Mavic Air is about half the size of a Mavic Pro and more than 40% lighter. That's why it's so easy to take anywhere and record your experiences, whether you carry it in a backpack, pocket or purse. Mavic Air won't weigh you down. It weighs a mere 0.94 pound. What's big is the Mavic Air's performance. It can shoot ultra-high definition 4K video, a quality slow motion in 1080p. It is capable of capturing 12MP stills in HDR and can capture a variety of panoramic shots, even 32MP spherical panoramas. Its 3-axis gimbal keeps video shake-free. And Mavic Air outflies other compacts with its 2.5-mile range, 42.5 miles per hour top speed. Flying time from a single charge is 21 minutes. If you are looking for a compact design camera which is still capable of shooting 4K videos, then Mavic Air can be a good option for you. Product link given in description. The drone on number 2 of this list is DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Mavic 2 Zoom has a 1 by 2.3-inch 12-megapixel sensor, and it is capable of shooting sharp and detailed 4K footage. The camera comes with a 2x optical zoom. 2x optical zoom might not sound much, it does come in very handy for snagging footage of spots that you don't want to fly your drone too close to. It also powers the Hitchcockian dolly zoom effect where the drone flies backward while zooming into your subject. The Mavic 2 Zoom packs in all the goodness you can find in the Mavic 2 Pro, including the superb obstacle detection and avoidance, stable flying performance, and a comparatively decent 31-minute battery life. It also neatly folds down into a bundle that isn't much larger than a sunglasses case. Mavic 2 Zoom can be a good option for capturing great quality footages. Product link given in description. The drone on the top of the list is DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The follow-up to the game-changing Mavic Pro, DJI's new top-end drone, is the first to carry a Hasselblad camera, making the Mavic 2 Pro the premium choice for serious flyers. Its 1-inch sensor means the Mavic 2 Pro can shoot 4K footage at 30 fps, as well as 20 megapixel still images, while the adjustable aperture allows it to perform incredibly well, even in tricky lighting conditions. Unedited footage generally looks superb, with impressive color depth and dynamic range, makes the Mavic 2 Pro a properly versatile performer. Battery life has been bolstered too, so you now get 31 minutes from a single charge, which is longer than any of the Mavic 2 Pro's rivals. If you want to shoot some professional-looking drone shots and you have a good amount of bucks in your pocket, then Mavic Pro 2 can be a good option for you. The purchase links of all the products discussed in the video are given in description. Some of them have great discounts on them. Check the links in description to purchase any of them. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification each time we upload a video. Till next time, goodbye.